pa ko ligo ba? Madto mi sa may avocado garden. Amo lang yung among every tong kuan
stinky fish.
Shrimp skin. Skin shrimps.
Stinky
Shrimp skin. Stinky fish. Kay nalimaho na among kuan patio. Amo siyang ikuan i-bury dito sa may avocado tree. So dali ramang pod. Ako'y liguan. Nag-oily na akong buhok. Pinag-unan na. Ano nirabang ko? Daghan kaayo to. Taha one. It's getting stinky. Alimtan na ko ang kuan. Ang yabi ani. O kabalog ahanaw na butang. Sumok. Akyat na lang. Boo!
Oh.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, you gotta hold the poles.
Oh my god.
Hold the poles on both sides.
Nanami sa may avocado garden. Amo lang gi-check ang mga avocado pod kay daghan na manggoy bunga. And then amo pod ning ilubong. Ilubong ning shrimp skin. Kita ba ninyo? See? Daghan na yung avocado fruit. Nidagko na. Nibungan na gid ang akong kapuyan diri. Dili kapoy kay kuan man. Kagustuhan mo pud nako. So, daghan kaayo bunga. Dagko ay dako.
Ooh, does the ground seem wet?
Seems dry. How come? Boo, I think
It's wet right underneath, Boo. It's working.
okay, then that's good. Yeah, there's one here that got skinned off. I think the squirrel or skunk maybe, not skunk.
Ooh. You're really eating that thing.
Yeah. Ano, dagko na pud. Ayay. Dako na siya. Kadung isa. Bro, this one is also having lots of fruits now. Look, it's super fresh. It's big. There's more. They're hiding. Finally. So, anong mulch nga akong ginaanihian diri every time nga day off na ako na siyang ibutang atong slid kanang plastic diha nga akong dalon padulong diri sa mga ilawom sa mga avocado. Nga ako pong ginatry og covered tanan kay para ang mga kanang mga yung anak ba dili na manubo. Kay kapag kay tanaw daghan kaayo mga kuan kay wala kana lang to pa ako pa na siyang kabiran diha pa ko na humandaghan pa ko'y kuan to og dito pa daghan exercise would be na kay taas kayo nya na si Rab diri yan ang ibutang. Good job, Boo. Woo! Oops. Beep, See?
Maybe that's how people are getting. Seems like there's still some mulch up there, but it needs it right here.
Yeah, I need to cover that one up. And there's more there. But there's still like grass popping up, too.
Well, you have to cover more deep, but it's pretty good.
It is pretty good. I work hard.
Yeah. I mean,
Up and
remember
down.
the weeds was everywhere.
Uh-huh.
We was hacking them. Big bushes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's go, Pips. Okay, muli na mi. Doon na lang. Tayo ito sa taas. No. But that one will.
Go, Blue, go. Be careful, though. Are you okay?
Yeah.
But tell them not to do that.
Yeah, don't do that because this is private property. See? I need to put like bigger fence there. Gate. No, it's not ready yet.
Yeah. How's the Range Rover?
Range Rover's on its way out of here, but it's pretty dang cool.
Dude, this thing's so styling.
Let's go, Pips.
Man. I just had to take my little Rav in for